Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Motorola Moto G86 Power. Alright, so all you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Now click on those three dots in the top right corner and click on the settings. Now we need to find the chats. Now chat backup. And we have a lot of things. Let me describe them for you. Let's begin with the Google account. In here, as you can see, currently this Google account is selected, and that's also the account on which I am logged in my settings of my Motorola. And on that account that is currently selected on your device, right in here, your backup will be stored in the cloud. So, for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you will need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. It is really important, so don't forget about it. Of course, we can also add another account. Simply click on Add, and there you will have a chance to log into other Google account and select it right in here. Below we have also the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as weekly, monthly, or only when I tap the backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. It is really convenient feature because I don't need to remember about making a backup. It's made automatically. So pick the option that you want. Also, let's include the videos in our backup. Make sure it's selected, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you lose your password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you want to create it, because it's not necessary, if you choose to create that password, simply don't forget it. Okay, now also make sure that you have some free Google storage space, and now hit on backup. Now the process will start in a second. In my case it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Alright, backup has been made. As you take a look on the last backup and on the hour, it was made like 10 seconds ago. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.